Hi guys, as I'm sure you're all aware by now, my name's John. Obviously I've got a YouTube channel and I like to assemble or 3D print little miniatures and, well, paint them, rather on their own or in little dioramas. And I started this channel during the second lockdown, well, as you can see, just over 3 years ago. And boy, has that time flown. And as you can see, in that time I've made 475 videos. Although, to be honest, it probably would have been a lot more if a lot more of the projects I started, I'd actually finished. So there is a lot of footage of me making things that, well, you guys have never seen because I've just never got around to finishing it, for whatever reason that might be. And this is one of those projects, although I have done a couple of videos on this, and that's the Bloodbowl 7's, pitch, stadium and everything else. And as you can see, I've made the board up. Really pleased with how it came out, really enjoyed making what I've done so far. But yeah, this is one of those projects it's a big project. I think there's already sort of 2 or 3 videos out showing what I've done so far, but there was a lot more to do on this. And yeah, this is one of those ones where you kind of run out of steam and passion for the project. And this is where I like to be working on at least 3 or 4 projects at a time, just because it keeps me very interested in each one. And as well as obviously sometimes doing bigger projects such as this, I do often do obviously a lot smaller projects where I am literally just printing or making one miniature and having fun painting them. And that's something you'll hear me saying a lot when I'm doing these kind of videos, is you really need to be enjoying what you're doing. As obviously this is a hobby, it's not a job, this is meant to be fun, therapeutic, and just, yeah, it takes away any troubles or woes you might be having. But yeah, as I say, sometimes when a project is so big, it then becomes daunting, and it feels like a job. And unfortunately, this is where the stage up to with this project, as this has been sitting under my desk, well, since the last video, which has got to be at least 6 months, I would have thought. But as you can see, I have sort of completed a lot of it, and a lot of it is painted. Obviously the stadiums there, all the knockout places, the injury, all your reserves, all the rest of it. And yeah, I really did enjoy what I was doing. But say, this has been sitting under a desk now for quite some time. And like I'm always saying, I live in a 2-bedroom flat. I work out of my living room. I literally have a desk in my living room, guys. So yeah, I don't have a studio, I don't have a workshop, I don't even have a shed. And that's why space sometimes is very lacking. So that's why, I've come to the conclusion I'm never going to get this thing finished, even though I've 3D printed everything you need for this. And that's why I'm going to be selling it over on eBay. So someone else can take sort of use of this and advantage of this, and hopefully get it completed. So this is a video. Obviously, again, this is something I made. It was going to be a video, never seen the light of day. I can't even find the footage now. And this is obviously light stands. I've got 4 of these, but I put lights in them, so yeah, they will light up the pitch, kinda. But yeah, so one of these is fully made, assembled, and again, I loved how this came out. I was really enjoying it. Obviously it's functional, it works, it looks cool. But yeah, and I've got 3 more of these. They're all printed, they're part painted. They just need assembling and then, yeah, sort of painting the last little bits. So just to say, guys, all these parts you can see, you can download these and print these yourselves. They're from Kraken Studios. Done an amazing job with the Bloodbowl. I'll leave a link down below. So as I mentioned, I'm going to be putting this on eBay for someone to sort of obviously, well, complete. This obviously will be a collection only. There's no way I can post this, as well, the board's big, and say everything's 3D printed, and a lot of these parts are, well, pretty chunky and pretty heavy. So as you can see, there's the rest of the floodlights, but there's also lots of like stands and bits to go round the outer edge of this board. There's like a beer stand, there's a weather chart, scorecard, basically everything you kind of need for playing Bloodbowl 7s, and a few obviously just fun bits along the side. So yeah, definitely say someone could have fun with this and complete it. It's just a shame, yeah, my energy and enjoyment in this has definitely wavered, and possibly in part of that is because, well, I just love kill teams so much. So obviously I did buy all the stuff to play Blood Bowls, but yeah, I can't ever see me playing it. And I think that's partly why, yeah, I'm never going to get this finished because, well, there's no need to. I just love kill teams, and that's where obviously my heart seems to lie. And like I was saying, this hobby, it is about doing things that make you happy and that you enjoy. And if you're doing something and you're not enjoying it, then you need to stop, think about it, and then, yeah, maybe move on to a different project. Just put that one on the back burner But say this one's been on the back burner for some time and is never going to be, never going to be seen ever again. Well, not by me anyway. So guys, head over to eBay if you're interested in this, and obviously go over there and have a look at sort of, well, whatever else I'm sort of selling. It's generally to make room for, well, more bits and pieces that I want to make, really. And don't forget to check out Kraken Studios for all the amazing stuff they make as well. Okay, big shout out and thank you to my lovely patrons, Chaos Cards and the Colour Forge, for helping support the channel every month. It really does help me out so much. There's another video on the screen, guys. Give that a click, like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Take care. Bye for now.